Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, people. This is my man cave. Let's take a quick tour and look at my motorcycle gear and what all motorcycle gear I use, my jackets, riding boots, gloves, race suits, and everything. Yeah, so this is my storage for my motorcycling gear. There is some storage here too. Sorry about the entire mess, but yeah. And this is my workstation. This is where I do most of my small mechanical stuff. This is where I store my tools. Let me quickly show you what all I have. I think I have a fully functional garage, if you ask me. That's the vernier caliper, screwdriver set, some spanners. These are some open tools. This socket was for my Panigale V4. Chain loops. Hi Zeus. So he's my partner in crime in this man cave typically. Yeah, so let's take all of this out and I'll walk you through each of these one by one. This is my Ducati Corsa C5, Dainese C5 race suit. I just picked it up with the Hyper. I've used multiple race suits before these, but I like this one. This is the back side. This is my Revit mesh and leather jacket. This is again my Revit Sand 3 touring jacket. And inside are the leather Revit Ignition 3 riding pants. Yeah. Zeus, please keep a tab on all this. This is a dry rider leather urban jacket. Riding jacket which I had picked up with armor and all from Australia. This is again a suede leather riding jacket which I had picked up from Australia. It's a local brand in Australia called Ricondi. It's an amazing, really, good jacket with back protection and all of that, right? So it's a nice jacket. And this is again a dry rider, all-weather camouflage riding jacket with armor on the shoulders and the elbows and everything. I've got some helmets, and I'll talk about those helmets and I'll show you those helmets separately, and my riding boots. These are some of my riding gloves. These have been my favorite. These are again Ricondi. I had picked them up from Australia. Full gauntlet, extremely lightweight. And these are, I believe, goat leather. Very supple, very lightweight, good protection. Right. These are my go-to set of leather gloves for daily riding. These are again Dry Rider, which I had picked up from Australia again. These are not full gauntlets, these are only till your wrist. And these are fine, these are leather, tan leather. These are the ones which I recently picked up from the Ducati dealership in Pune. Very supple. These are Spidi. The make is Spidi. Very classic vintage kind of a design and look. Extremely lightweight, very stylish, very comfortable. And these are the top of the line MotoGP inspired and MotoGP quality. The C5 race gloves from Ducati, Dainese gloves. These are essentially the Dainese full metal 6 model. I've used the D1 also, which was its predecessor. And I'm trying these out right now. I've not yet picked them up, but I'm just trying them for a fit and finish and how it makes me feel when I ride. I'll walk you through in detail about, the specifications of this glove and, why is this the highest level of protection that you can get while motorcycling. These are some of my helmets. This is the limited edition Arai RX-7V Nicky Hayden replica. Right, so RX-7V. I love these helmets. These again I had picked up when I had been to Australia in 2017, and I've been using this helmet since then. I think that was the same year or a year after Nicky Hayden had unfortunately passed away in a cycling accident. And just as an ode to him, I had picked this beautiful helmet up. I've used this extensively on track and on also my regular rides. This is my latest Ducati Explorer model, which I've picked up. Right, brilliant, designed by Rudy Performance, extremely fantastic helmet, top of the line again. This is the MXV. Yeah, very lightweight. Goes perfect with the Hyper Motard. This is the helmet, the Airoh helmet, off-road and motocross helmet that I've used for my motocross and off-roading kind of a riding format. And this was the Billy Mola, again off-roading helmet, which I've used for off-roading most of the times. I also use this helmet in the city with pairing it with a set of goggles. I like these style of helmets, and the motorcycle that I ride is a Hyper Motard, right? So these type of helmets or style of helmets go well with the Hyper. But obviously, I mean, I don't recommend this helmet or this helmet for long distance touring and your weekend rides and all that. A full face helmet is always recommended. These are my riding boots, some of my riding boots. I'll just quickly walk you guys through which ones are these. This is, I believe, the Alpinestars Tech 7. Yeah, extremely comfortable. Use them extensively during motocross and off-road trails and small weekend rides. Very comfortable boots, extremely high level of protection. Right, these are the Tech 7s. I've used the Tech 10s also, and the super vented ones, which I recently sold. These are the Tech 7s which I've kept because I love them. These are my these are the Klim Outlander GTX boots with the BOA lace system and our Gore-Tex. So waterproof. These are, I believe, made in Korea. This is the BOA lace system. Outlander GTX boots, yeah, made in Korea. These are my regular, daily rider kind of boots, which I use for my short motorcycle commutes or my club meet rides and small weekend rides sometimes. Excellent pair of boots, good protection. This I had picked up for my wife whenever she would decide to join along for a ride. These are the TCX Blend WP boots. Good protection on the ankle, on the toe. These I had picked up for my wife. And these I had picked up for my daughter. She rides too. So these are the TCX X Blast boot. Pretty okay. Good for starters. She used to come with me for my motocross practice, and she used to ride motocross bikes with me. She used to also ride my Ducati Desert Slate. So I picked these up for her. Let's look at some of my bags. Yeah, before I do that, this is my club's helmet cover. DOC Pune stands for Ducati Owners Club Pune. This cover they had given as a club kit. Yeah, let's look at some of my motorcycling storage. What is this? This is my leather suit protection and cleaning kit from Dainese. This is my OGO backpack. Amazing backpack. I love this aerodynamic shape and they're extremely handy. Good storage. I don't know what is this doing here. Yeah, good storage. I'm not getting into the details, guys. Let me know if you want to get into details of any of these products that I've shown you. Because I'm using them, I can give you a good owner's perspective. These are my recent tank and tail bags from SW Motech. This is the tank bag. This is the micro tank bag for the hydro motard. Decent storage. You keep your wallet, phone, like carry a set of Allen key, use sort of, Allen keys. Yeah, your goggles and everything can go in here. It's got a zip here. So this is the SW Motech tank bag. It's got a magnetic bracket at the bottom. You just put it on the motorcycle and it sticks. Pretty easy and convenient to use. This is the SW Motech tail bag. Decent storage. You can increase the storage of this also. Very nice. Let me quickly open and show you. But like I said, I'm not going to get into the details. Right. This is the puncture kit that I've picked up. Tire puncture kit. This is the rain cover. These are the molly pouches which get added onto the tank bag and the tail bag as additional storage. I think I've got my Stanley Gadabba in this. Let me quickly try and open this. Right. Yeah. So the rain cover for this. Yeah, and this is the toolkit that I carry on my rides. This toolkit sits in that in this additional molly pouch, right? And this molly pouch sits onto the tail bag. Now this is a OGO waist pouch from Ducati. Amazing design and amazing storage. And extremely convenient and handy when you're riding, even for long distance rides or weekend rides. Good amount of storage. Right, so you can keep your goggles, your essentials, whatever you want to keep here. The bike papers and also can go into here, whatever. And it sits on your waist, right? So it's a very good, handy and convenient waist pouch. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Let me know if you want to know details of any of the riding gear that I've showed you so far or any of the products that I'm using, and I'll do a video on it.